The roles of business leaders and technology leaders are changing in this modern digital world. Traditionally, business leaders are focused on commercial outcomes of a business, and technology leaders are focused on providing solutions. That is not sufficient anymore. Their roles are changing. What do I mean by that? I'm Raj Polanki, your CIO partner and digital leadership mentor. Let's dive into this topic. Changing roles of business and technology leaders. Let's look at traditionally, which is still applicable, this part of it. Okay. So business leaders' responsibility is, I would put into 4 parts. The first thing is they have to run the business. What we promise to the customers, produce them, deliver those products to the business. That means whatever is planned, execute it. That is the run part of the business leader's job. Is that sufficient? No. The next part is optimize. The business leaders need to look at continuously how do we reduce any waste, improve performance, optimization, so efficiencies are improved, cost is saved, competitive advantage is established. So there is always room for doing better. That is what optimization. Is that sufficient? No. The next one is transform, to do something more than what we are doing, expand into new markets. That is transforming the business, maybe leveraging the technologies and reducing the frictions with the customers, or implementing new services. That is transformation. And the fourth part of is where the business has to grow. That means they have to acquire other companies, or invest in a new product lines or new customer segments. So there is a growth is required. If the company is not growing, it is dying. So these are the 4 angles of a business leader. They look at running the business, optimizing it, transforming to do better, and growing to do something new and bigger. That is the role of a business leader. And if you look at technology leader, their job starts with aligning first. Aligning with the business leaders, what do they want? What do they care about? What are their priorities? What are their pain points? And aligning with them, then developing a plan, developing a strategy. How do you meet the needs of the business leaders and solve their problems? And the plan results into a project portfolios. Those project portfolios is invest into building them, executing them. That is what the build part, where projects are running, or product developments are happening, and then the outcome is getting delivered to the customers. And that outcome is happening through run part of it. In this case, running IT operations. The products or projects which are done in a build stage, the outputs of them are delivered to the business. So the technology leader's job here is align with the business, plan, build, run. And the business leader's job is run the business, optimize, transform, and grow. There's nothing wrong in this siloed approach, but this is what is required till now. But in the digital modern world, the business leaders need to think beyond these 4 blocks. Same thing, technology leaders have to think beyond these 4 circles. So let's look at first as a business leaders. Business leaders need to strategize on leveraging technology to drive business transformation and growth. If they don't have the knowledge about technology and they don't know how to ask the right questions or make the right decisions, or even to think what is possible with the technology, they will be limited in their ability to think the shape of the business for tomorrow. Even boardrooms are talking about generative AI, cybersecurity risks, and investing in digital transformation initiatives. It is a common topic. So the leadership job, a business leadership job, is not just run the business and just focus on the business and give it to technology leaders their job. Business leaders have to learn the necessity information, how the technology can help business. Not just, hey, let's buy this technology or invest this technology. They need to look at and understand what is total ownership of the technology. Not just investing, but how do we run? How do we leverage? How do we maintain this technology? Is it a long-term strategy or is it a short-term? Who's our strategic partner? And ask these questions, share these insights, and work with technology leaders is the job of business leaders. Now, when you look at from other side, the technology leaders' job, in the past, they were just providing solutions, or running the operations. It is still applicable, but they need to focus on enabling business transformation by innovating and implementing technological solutions that support and accelerate business objectives. They don't have to wait for business leaders to come and ask questions on what's possible and share their needs. Sometimes technology leaders have to sit along with the business leaders in the front seats and help business leaders to drive the business by showing what's possible, by educating them with the technology, and also informing about the risks of what to do, what not to do as well. So the role of technology leaders is transform, not just being running the technology, using the technology and being that front seat co-passenger to the business leaders. So that is how the technology leaders' job is changing. So these are the two dimensions to look at how this modern digital world is impacting business leaders and technology leaders. If you look at CEOs are asking about artificial intelligence questions, cybersecurity, digital transformation initiatives. They're not just investing because of their feeling that they should invest, because they know the industry and market trends, how they are shaping up. That is why technology leaders are getting board seats now, and they're getting equally valued along with the business leaders because they have this unique insight which can contribute to the business success. So learning about how this business and technology leaders, the role is transforming, learning about digital strategies, digital transformation initiatives, digital innovation frameworks. If you want to learn more, check out more videos.